I'm Shahnawaz Bashir, and in short people call me Shan. I'm the general manager of Grand Royal Swissotel in Kisumu. Grand Royal Swissotel is one of the biggest, largest facility in the Western region. We have total 125 rooms with 4 different categories: standard rooms, deluxe, executive suites, royal suites, and we are coming up with the presidential suite. What makes us different is our conference facility. Rambara Conference Hall, which can take 1,200 guests, which is the largest conference center in this region. We have 2 ballrooms which can take 200 guests each, and we have 3 boardrooms for the executive meetings. Also, we have guest amenities and modern facilities, including a modern gym with spa and steam and sauna for both ladies and gentlemen separately. We have a pool, we have a pool bar, and we have the biggest lawns. So these lawns actually serve for the biggest conferences and events. Now we give a one-stop solution for all of this. We have room inventories. We have multiple F&B units which can serving multiple F&B experience to our guests. What we have experienced is that Western region is a lot of more getting early from the corporates. We have local governing bodies, counties, we have corporates, we have NGOs, we have educational institutions, we have big companies who are doing their workshops in the Western regions and aids and all these things. That's what's happening. That's what we're getting in more our clienteles from. If you see the development part of it, it is always good to see that multiple properties in terms of infrastructures, in terms of malls, in terms of hospitality institutions coming up, because it is directly linking to the socio-economic factor of the region. We can see that county government is taking very positive steps to make this place one of the prominent city in the country. I can see that a lot of investors are engaged to come and do investments in this region. This is all giving a good sign altogether, because it is not only just for the hospitality, it is also opening up a lot of employment opportunities to this region. 2018 was tremendous for us. From January onwards, we picked up very well compared to what we had real challenges in 2017 due to the political conditions in the country. We have increased in number of room nights, businesses in terms of conferences. It is great to see some prominent people coming up, and we had the Deputy Prime Minister of Russia flew all the way from Russia to Kisumu with on charter, and he was here with us for a day. We have hosted the Deputy Prime Minister of Kosovo, the European, was here. I mean, we see in Kisumu Ronaldinho came, a few months back. I mean, this all see the progress, how progressive with the Western region the Kisumu is coming up. It is very necessary to invite all our supportive business partners, the corporates, the governing bodies, and everybody who is supporting us since when we opened, since last year. We're going to have a great corporate cocktail event. We want to appreciate their support. We want to thankful them. We are looking forward to have more business with them, and where we are now, it is all because of their support.